What's up, you guys? As you can see behind me, that wall needs some stucco. But in order to do that, I need to clear this giant citronella monster over here. So that's what we're gonna do today, and maybe we'll replant some of the citronella. Citronella grows wild, guys, so don't do like I did and fail to maintain it. And you see this plumeria? It's not making me happy anymore, so I'm gonna Marie Kondo that. After taking away the citronella, I found some other plants I can transplant. And since I plan to turn this section into a patio, I broke down all the bricks. Then I cleaned it all up as best I could, and now we're ready to put on some stucco. Over in my neighbor's yard, I promised her I'd plant things to make it look prettier, and guess what? I have a lot of things to transplant. I had this little jade, and I decided to plant it next to this rock, and it looks like bonsai now. Now this plant is hard to pronounce, Plectranthus neochilus. Now this is one of those plants that you can just stick in the ground and it grows almost anywhere. They say it deters snakes, hopefully solar salespeople too. Now remember the plumeria that no longer sparks joy in my life? Well, I hope that it is happier here now. I think that this is a great spot for it. And who doesn't need a little aloe vera in their life? Works for burns, digestion, and hair conditioner. Last thing, remove some of the plumeria foliage to give it a better chance.